Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the issue of not able to use WhatsApp on iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. So the latest update of WhatsApp now, you can no longer use WhatsApp on iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus from the 5th of May 2025. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this issue. So let's get into the video, guys. So first, in order for you to fix this, you just have to double click on your home button to the app list and clear the app. Then go to your settings. Then from your settings you go to general. Then from general you go to date and time. Then on date and time you turn off the set automatically. So once you turn that off, then you choose a new date. We just have to choose a new date that is behind May 5th, 2025. So once you've selected the new date, then you go back. Just have to go back again to confirm the new date has been selected. So as you can see, I've successfully changed my date. So you just have to close the settings application also, then open the WhatsApp. So as you can see now, guys, I have my WhatsApp opened and running. So this is just how you can easily do this, guys. So you can text anyone or post on your status or do anything you want to do. So if you find this very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips like this. Thanks for watching.